अक्खा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ और Absolutely welcome Imran Hashmi everybody. Hello. Hello. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
Love you, Imran sir.
I love you guys too, man. I love you guys too.
The man of the moment, the man of the what? Like क्या बोले? Decade, यार. Of course, our Imran Hashmi. Let's give a round of applause to him.
Thank you.
ये मुझे ना एक और डायलॉग बोलने की मन कर रहा है ना.
बोल दो ना, फिर आप डायलॉग बोल दो.
कि इतनी शिद्दत से तुझे पाने. How many years have we been planning to do this, Imran? Every time we plan to do it and
Yeah, I'm very sorry. लेकिन आपने actually पिछले साल भी मुझे इसके लिए invite किया था, but it was just that the schedule इतना busy था और बहुत सारी चीजें होनी थी, but better late than never.
Absolutely, we're going to take full advantage of Imran giving us some time. He also has his anniversary, so we're very grateful for doing this today. Romantic man, as you know, he is, so he wants to be on time for his wife. We appreciate Imran.
First of all, where do you get this? Is my anniversary. It's my anniversary. Every day is an anniversary when you're married.
देखो, learn, guys.
It's
Okay.
just a one day. Yeah.
Cute,
Yeah.
but it's nice.
It's
Okay.
like shortchanging love, like one Valentine's Day, one anniversary. It should be every day when you're in love.
ओहो,
Yeah.
यही बातें बोल के आज के
Yeah.
ज़माने में ऐसे मिल नहीं रहे हैं लोग, by the way.
I don't know what's happened to men.
I like the cheers I'm getting. Okay, Imran, but to start with, of course, among the very few people I've known you for a few years now, among the few people I know who literally hasn't changed the way he wanted to live his life in this industry. मुझे लगता है ये काफी लोग बोलते नहीं करना पड़ता है. How have you managed to make these own rules, live your life the way you wanted to, not going to, not sort of, following the rules of Bollywood per se, and successfully so, yaar, Imran.
I don't know what are the rules of Bollywood anyway.
When they say like you have to put yourself out there to do a certain kind of film, you have to be out there. वो जो बोला जाता है हर किसी को.
Yeah, but I just realized that the rules don't apply to me because मेरी जो journey थी as an actor, जब मैंने शुरुआत की, जिस किस्म के roles कर रहा था मैं, बहुत अलग था और मुझे वैसे भी fans से, audience से प्यार मिल रहा था. And I felt कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने ये चीज़ें कोशिश नहीं की हैं और मैं I'll point out specifics हमारे बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में अवार्ड फंक्शंस हों या फिल्म पार्टीज़ हों, which is extremely boring by the way, but मैंने ये सब किया है. ऐसा नहीं है मैंने नहीं किया है, but I felt कि एक दो साल मैंने कोशिश की थी to be part of the clan, Bollywood, one family, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि ultimately your work, आपकी प्रोफेशनलिज्म आपके लिए दैट स्पीक्स वॉल्यूम्स. और ये सारी चीज़ें कभी डिसाइड नहीं करती हैं अगर आप यहाँ लंबी रेस के घोड़े होंगे या यू विल बी रनिंग द मैराथन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. अल्टीमेटली आप जो फिल्में करेंगे, you make your fans happy and they are the guys that kind of build and help you and help facilitate your longevity here.
When friends ask you and people who don't know you ask you, a person who's an absolute gentleman, who's so real, and they ask me loyal कौन है, ये कौन है, green flag. I think it's Mr. Imran Hashmi. And a lot of people are like, really? I said, that is how good of an actor he is. I just want to let you know. All the bad boy image is truly for the screen. So Imran, would you like to throw a little highlight on how successfully you've managed to fool people in believing you have this bad boy image, whereas you've been...
I don't want to take too much credit for it. I think ये पूरा credit मेरे writers और directors को जाता है. We just turn up. I think we make too much out of acting. I just turn up and I say these lines, and there are these, through the making of the film, you kind of some way through the magic of films create characters on screen. But I don't want to take this responsibility myself and take any of the praise myself. A little bit of a little bit of the performance. लेकिन I think mainly जो characters लिखे जाते हैं, जो रेकिश बैड बॉय इमेज था, वो पहले ही एक तरह से बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट सेट हो गया था पहली 3-4 फिल्मों में, क्योंकि मैंने जो प्रोडक्शन कंपनी में काम शुरू किया था एज एन एक्टर, उन्होंने कहा कि एक तो तुम शरीफ नहीं दिखते हो, हाँ, तो देयर इज अ सर्टेन मिस्chievous लुक ऑन योर फेस दैट्स कॉन्स्टेंटली देयर, तो लेट्स presented that way.
Yeah.
तो वो एक चीज होगी और फिर उसके बाद one after the other, then people started associating something to it. But that's acting. I think that's for most actors. आपका जो image होता है और आप जो अपनी जिंदगी में जिस तरह, and I'm not the only one.
Sure,
I think
of course.
people who meet actors generally, they're very different from what they portray on screen. So yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is true.
Yeah.
But he is truly a gentleman and also very, very funny, which I'm sure you'll know by now. But